Your enterprise wants to use GPT-4o and O series models, but sending customer data to a public API is a compliance non-starter. Azure OpenAI Service gives you the same OpenAI models, deployed inside your Azure tenant, with private networking, RBAC, content filtering, audit logs, and enterprise SLAs. In this video you will learn how it works and how to deploy your first endpoint. Using the OpenAI API directly in an enterprise creates 4 serious problems. Data leaves your Azure tenant and crosses the public internet. There is no private network path to keep traffic inside your virtual network. Usage tokens and costs are not tracked per team or application. Compliance and data residency requirements cannot be met with a shared public API endpoint. Azure OpenAI Service is Microsoft's enterprise deployment of OpenAI models inside your Azure subscription. You get the exact same GPT-4o, O3, and embedding models as api.openai.com, but deployed in your region, behind your virtual network, secured with Azure RBAC, filtered through configurable content policies, and logged to your Azure Monitor workspace. Every Azure OpenAI request flows through 5 stages. Your application authenticates with Azure Active Directory or an API key. Traffic routes through your private endpoint inside the virtual network. The content filter layer screens the input for harmful content. The model generates a response on Microsoft-managed compute. The response passes back through the filter and is logged to Azure Monitor for audit. Azure OpenAI has 5 architectural components. Azure AD and RBAC control which identities can call which deployments. Private endpoint keeps all traffic inside your virtual network with no public internet exposure. Model deployments are named instances of GPT-4o, O3 Mini, or embeddings with their own token quotas. Content filters apply input and output screening at 6 severity levels. Azure Monitor captures every request token count, latency, and error for audit and cost allocation. How does Azure OpenAI compare to alternatives? The direct OpenAI API has the same models but no private networking, no Azure RBAC, no data residency controls, and no Azure Monitor integration. AWS Bedrock has compliance depth but no OpenAI models, only Anthropic, Meta, and Amazon models. Google Vertex AI provides Gemini, not GPT. Azure OpenAI is the only path to GPT and O series inside an enterprise Azure tenant. Azure OpenAI Service supports provision throughput units, called PTUs, that guarantee a fixed number of tokens per minute regardless of platform load. A single PTU deployment gives your application a dedicated compute slice with predictable sub-second latency, eliminating the noisy neighbor latency spikes of the shared pay-per-token API. Azure OpenAI fits every regulated enterprise AI pattern. Build internal chatbots that process confidential HR or legal documents without data ever leaving your tenant. Automate contract analysis and invoice extraction with GPT-4o vision on files and Azure Blob storage. Power code generation tools that access your private repositories without public API exposure. Run document summarization at scale using batch endpoints with full audit trails. The Azure OpenAI Python SDK is a thin wrapper over the standard OpenAI SDK. Set the Azure endpoint and API version. Authenticate with default Azure credential for keyless auth, and call chat completions with your deployment name instead of a model name. The rest of the API is identical to the OpenAI SDK, no migration cost. Use Azure OpenAI when enterprise compliance, data residency, private networking, or per team cost allocation is required. It is mandatory for regulated industries like finance, healthcare, and government. Skip it if you are a startup with no compliance requirements and want the latest OpenAI model the day it ships. The public API gets new models faster than Azure OpenAI. Azure OpenAI Service in 5 points. 1. The same GPT-4o and O series models as OpenAI, deployed in your Azure region. 2. Private endpoint keeps all traffic inside your virtual network. 3. Azure RBAC controls access per team and application with no shared API keys. 4. Configurable content filters screen inputs and outputs at 6 severity levels. 5. Azure Monitor captures every request for cost allocation, latency tracking, and compliance audit. You do not have to choose between OpenAI's best models and enterprise compliance. Azure OpenAI Service gives you both. Start at aka.ms/Azure OpenAI.